Sushma. I am from Suryapet. I have done masters from Avanti Institute of Engineering and Technology in electrical power, in the stream of electrical power systems. Recently, I got placed in one of the MNC company, and mostly I am from. Actually, my background is electrical side. I am suffering to get job in that electrical field. So then after I choose to go at IT sector side. Then after I joined at the SP Global Solutions. In SP Global Solutions, they conducting mock interviews and daily written exams and jam sections. They conduct very well, and in that I am improving my skills so much, and my Java skills also they so improved. Actually, I am from electrical side. Afroz Khan, I am very thankful to Afroz Khan sir. He helped me so much. I am thanking to him. Success care of others is SP Global Solutions.